Sleep disruption has a nemesis, the nighttime cough. For parents, this isn't just a challenge, but a nightly mission to find relief for their little one. Let's talk practical and comforting home care. Honey is a sweet, effective remedy for children over 1, beating even some over-the-counter cough syrups. And when it comes to humidifiers, position matters. Place it close, but not directly next to your child, for optimal moisture. Watch out for wet barking coughs. They could indicate croup, needing more than just home remedies. In short, simple home tweaks can wave away the nighttime coughs. Stay proactive and comfort your child tonight.